Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking 3-5 colors and assigning clear categories so you can sort ideas at a glance. Once done, place your notebook or a visible wall space where you will work. This prevents disruption later. Start with a bold pen to write a brief heading on each sticky, then switch to a fine pen for details. Do this because color plus hierarchy speeds recall and reduces rereading. Now move straight into capturing the first facts or questions. You now expand by keeping one idea per sticky to avoid cognitive overload. This makes review faster. Next, cluster related stickies into themes and draw simple arrows or number them to indicate sequence. This visual flow clarifies relationships. As you add details, mark priority with numbers or symbols like 1/2 or an asterisk so you know what to review first. Make sure to rewrite any messy notes into cleaner stickies. You finish by reviewing daily for 5-10 minutes and transferring validated stickies to a permanent notebook or app. This preserves insights and prevents loss. Once done, compile a reference page with headings and paste or photograph grouped stickies so you can search later. If a sticky loses adhesion, make sure to replace it with tape or move that content into a bound index. This troubleshooting step prevents gaps and keeps your system reliable for long-term use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.